Did you know your child's tummy might not love milk as much as they do? Many kids enjoy the taste of milk and dairy products, but sometimes their bodies have a hard time processing it. This can lead to discomfort and other symptoms that can be quite troubling for both the child and the parent. Let's talk about lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance is a common condition that affects many children and adults around the world. It's important to understand what it is and how it can impact your child's health and well-being. Lactose intolerance happens when the body doesn't make enough lactase, an enzyme that helps digest the sugar in milk. Lactase is crucial for breaking down lactose, the sugar found in milk and dairy products, into simpler sugars that the body can absorb. Without enough lactose remains undigested in the digestive system, leading to symptoms like bloating, gas, and tummy aches. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and sometimes even painful for your child. Ouch! But don't panic. It's not an allergy. Lactose intolerance is different from a milk allergy, which involves the immune system. Lactose intolerance is simply the body's inability to digest lactose properly. Kids with lactose intolerance can still enjoy many dairy-free or lactose-free options. There are plenty of delicious and nutritious alternatives available that can help keep your child's diet balanced and enjoyable. Look for lactose-free alternatives like almond milk, coconut yogurt, or lactose-free cheese. These products are specially made to be easier on the tummy while still providing essential nutrients. And if your child loves ice cream, good news! There are many dairy-free ice cream options that taste just as good as the real thing. Your child can still enjoy their favorite treats without the discomfort. Dairy-free options are delicious too. From creamy almond milk ice cream to rich coconut milk varieties, there's something for every taste preference. Keeping tummies happy is easier than ever. With so many lactose-free and dairy-free products available, your child can enjoy a wide range of foods without the worry of tummy troubles. If you suspect lactose intolerance, talk to your pediatrician. They can provide guidance and help you find the best dietary options for your child. Remember, a happy tummy means a happy child.